Hey everyone, Dom here in the Panasonic kitchen, and in this video we're going to bring together everything we've done in preparation for making our pizza in one of our Panasonic combi microwaves. So we've got our pizza dough here that we made in our SD PM100 bread maker, and we've got our tomato pizza sauce that we made in our new cooking blender. And next to me I've got our NN-CD88 microwave. This is one of our most popular microwaves. It actually comes with an air fry mode included, which is a really great feature. We're not going to use the air fry mode today. We're actually going to use the convection mode to cook our pizza. If you are interested in this microwave, do have a look at the Panasonic online stores. You can see all the details in the description below. You can buy direct from Panasonic, so check out our website today. So to set up our microwave for the convection mode, we're going to press the convection icon on the control panel. Once you do that, you'll be met with a screen showing you the default temperature. That defaults to 150. For the purpose of making our pizza, we're going to select 180. So to do that, you just need to press the convection mode button again until you reach your desired temperature. Now, one really great thing with the CD88 is it has a preheat mode in this convection mode. So it's going to bring the microwave up to temperature before we put the pizza in. We've already got the wire tray in the microwave, so we're ready to start preheating. And to do that, you simply press in the dial to begin. The microwave will begin preheating to bring it up to 180 degrees. Whilst that's happening, we're going to prepare our pizza for the microwave. So we've already got our dough in the enamel tray accessory. If you're interested in any of the accessories for the NN-CD88 or any other products, you can check out our accessory store online. So we're going to open up the blender lid from our cooking blender, and we're going to take a ladle and we're going to spoon on some of this tomato sauce onto our pizza dough quite generously, and then just using the back of the ladle, we're going to spread it out across the pizza, making sure we leave a really nice gap around the edge of the pizza so we get a nice crust. I'm just going to take a little bit more sauce. So just spread the sauce out until you're happy with the coverage. That looks good to me. Then we're going to add the grated cheese. And we've actually got a blend of cheddar and mozzarella grated cheese here. And we're just going to liberally sprinkle that over the sauce. You can put in as much or as little cheese as you want. And once you're happy, you can spread the cheese out a little bit to make it a little bit more even. And once you're happy with how that looks, that's now ready to go into the microwave. So all we've got to do is wait for the preheat mode to finish, and then we're good to go. So once the microwave is preheated and brought up to temperature, it will start beeping and the P icon will flash on the control panel. You can see that there. So we're ready to put the pizza in. So we've got our pizza nice and prepared. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of dried oregano on the top just before it goes in, and we're ready to go. So safety first, the oven is going to be obviously really hot. So we're going to open the door and then pop our pizza in. Nice and carefully. It's going to go on the wire tray all the way back and close the door. Once the door is closed, we can then select the time that we're going to cook this for. In this case, just a cheese pizza, we're going to select 12 minutes. If you've got more ingredients or different toppings, you can select more. To select the time, you just need to turn the dial, in our case, all the way to 12 minutes, and then press in the dial to go. And that's going to start cooking. And here we are with our finished pizza. So once the microwave ends the convection program, it will start beeping, and it'll actually give you two options on the control panel. It will say open door or add more time. So if you want to make little adjustments, you can add a few more minutes. In our case, we did actually add 2 more minutes to this cook. So this pizza has had a total cooking time of 14 minutes. And once it's finished, just take out the enamel tray very carefully. Obviously it's going to be very hot. And in our case, we're going to nice and gently move this onto a wooden chopping board just to make it a little bit easier to cut. There we are. Obviously go nice and carefully because it is very hot. Just move that a little bit. There we are. So now in our case, we're going to add a little bit more dried oregano on the top there. And if you want, you can also add some shredded fresh basil leaves to the top, just for a little bit of colour on top of the pizza there. Just throw them wherever. Spread them out, and there we go. That is ready to cook, ready to cut, it's ready to eat. And that is a margherita pizza made with 3 Panasonic products: the PN100 bread maker, our new cooking blender, and our trusty CD88 here. If you're interested in any of those products, please do check out our online stores. Head to the links below in the description. You can purchase direct from Panasonic. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in more recipes, head to our Experience Fresh website for more ideas and tips there. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.